battery life of the iPad mini 4 is very good. Very good indeed, but that's hardly going to come as a surprise to anyone who's used another cutting-edge tablet. They're all really good at lasting hours and hours, given that for much of the time we leave them in sleep mode in bags or on sofas. The 10 hours quoted seems to hold up with the iPad mini 4, as even though I didn't have to go on any long-haul flights which could have properly tested the tablet, I could go at least 7 days without charging the mini 4 before even having to think about finding a power source. The battery test we conduct, wherein 90-minute full HD videos run at maximum brightness from full charge, yielded precisely the results we expected, with the power pack only dropping by 20% to 80%. That's similar to the iPad Air 2, although that was a little less efficient with media playback, with the battery dropping to 77% in the same test. iPad mini 4 review. The slightly stronger performance from the Mini 4's battery might be down to the lower spec processor, but the difference between the two is negligible, especially in real-world use. The good news is that playing around with the tablet doesn't cause the battery to drop dramatically. The screen can be up at full brightness and you won't get the scary drops in power that you'll see on phones, even with the data connection on. At half brightness, which is more around where you're likely to keep it, the iPad mini 4 can keep chugging along for hours on end. 45 minutes of web browsing over Wi-Fi saw a drop of 6% for example. Gaming hits it harder, especially more demanding titles, but for anything short of a long-haul flight it should still have enough juice to see you through. The iPad mini 4 doesn't even seem to get that warm when pushed a little harder, which again has a positive effect on battery life. Overall, a tick for me.